Hey guys, so you know I do vlogs on this channel as well, right? So here's what I'm asking you to do. There's a specific playlist that has the vlogs. Just go over to the playlist and select any one of the vlogs and just leave a comment, all right? And while you're over there, you can watch one or you can watch all of them, all right? But I'm asking you to just go over to the playlist and leave a comment on there, any one of the vlogs, all right? And if you haven't yet subscribed, now is a good time to do so.
Yeah, we're there for our way. And we're going right up the road there. So when we reach, we'll see which way we are go. You understand? Yeah, so sooner when we get there, alright? Them not ready.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. Today's journey will take us through a section of Santa Cruz. We've actually just crossed over into the parish of St. Elizabeth, and we'll be making our way through the town of Santa Cruz. So, journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual guys, I hope you enjoy.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.